Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand arithmetic operators in Python programming. So before we move on to the concept, you need to watch our previous class because the intuition which we provided in the previous class is very important to understand this class. So please watch our previous class and come back here. So now operator means, operator in programming languages, operator is a symbol that is used to do some operations. What kind of operations it is going to do? There are so many different kind of operations that we are going to do. Out of them, in this video, we are going to understand arithmetic operations. So now try to understand with an example what are the arithmetic operators that are available and what happens behind the scenes. That is also important. Let's assume that this is the code which we have written, x equal to 10. In our last class, we discussed that whenever this line of code executed, x equal to 10 means 10 is going to be stored in memory location that is assigned for x. Assume that 0th memory location is assigned for x. So 10 is a value that is going to be stored here. So this line, after executing this line, next it will go to the second line. Y equal to 20. Assume that y is assigned a memory location, third location. So 20 is a value that is going to be stored in memory location 3. After executing this line, next line of code is going to be executed. The important point that you need to understand here, our program executes line by line. First line, second line, third line. Based on this, you need to write the logic. This is very important point to write the coding. How it is executing? Line by line. Don't forget this. So now z equal to x plus y. Plus is a operator symbol that is going to do addition operation. Now try to understand what happens behind the scene and who is going to do this behind the scene operation. X plus y. Go get the value from x. X is holding a memory location 0. In that 0, what's the value we have? 10 is the value. Get that value. Who is going to get this value? In our hardware. This is memory device. What's the other device we have? Processor is the device that is going to do all these operations. Processor is going to get the value from here. How it is going to get? This level of understanding, hardware understanding is going to get in your coming subjects, computer organization. If you understand programming language in the hardware level, CO is, computer organization is very, very easy, and that intuition is needed for a BTech student, computer science student. Otherwise, you are going to lose so many things. So that's why x, 0th location, get the value from here. 10 is the value. And what is the y? Third location, get the value from third location. 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20, do arithmetic operation. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is the value, store it in the memory location z. Assume that z is assigned a memory location, second location. So here 30 is going to be stored. All this work is done by processor. So after executing these 3 lines of code, what's the value that present in z? 30 is the value that present in the z. Now, what are the remaining arithmetic operations? Hope you understand how these operations are done. Try to understand what are the remaining arithmetic operators that are available. The remaining arithmetic operators are k equal to x minus y. Minus is the symbol used to do subtraction. 10 minus 20, which is minus 10. So minus 10 is going to be stored here in this variable, somewhere around in the memory. We don't know the memory location. So L equal to x, multiplication is given by star symbol. X multiplied by y, 10 20s, 200. 200 is going to be stored in memory location L, variable L. M equal to X, division is done by forward slash. This is the symbol used to do division operation, X divided by Y. 10 divided by 20 means 0 point something, that is going to be stored. Similarly, the next arithmetic operation is integer division, N equal to X forward slash, 2 slashes you have to use. That is what integer division means, X integer division Y. What's this integer division? Let's try to understand with an example. Assume X is having a value 11, Y is having a value 5. 11 integer division 5 means, so if you divide it, 11 5s, 5 to 10 means 2 point something, 2.2. In 2.2, what is the integer part? 2 is the integer part, 0.2 is the floating point, floating value. So integer part is only stored in the memory location. That is what integer division is. 2.2, what is the integer part? 2. So that's why in the N, 2 is going to be stored. Only integer part is stored. You take any example. Suppose if your output is 5.9. What is the integer part? 5 is the integer part. Only 5 is going to be stored in the memory location in the given variable. That is what integer division means. And the last arithmetic operator that we need to understand, modulus operator. What is the symbol that used for modulus? Percentage is the symbol used for modulus operation. What is meant by modulus operation? O equal to X modulus Y. So assume that X equal to 12, Y is equal to 5. 12 modulus 5 means 12 divided by 5, 5 to 10, and the remainder value is 2. 2 is the remainder value. Remainder value is taken in modulus operation. So here what is the remainder value? 2. 2 is the remainder value. So O is containing the remainder value. That is what modulus operation means. So these are the list of arithmetic operators that are available in Python programming. Not only in Python programming, most of the programming languages, all the programming languages are going to have the same arithmetic operators. So if you learn one programming language like this, understanding remaining all programming languages, you can do it in 10 days. You can learn any programming language just in 10 days, because any programming language operators are same. The way you write the syntax is different. That's it. Behind the scenes, the same thing it happens. Hope you understand arithmetic operators. If you have any question regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.